7-day challenge. You can do it. Yes, I'm over 50 years old. Yes, I color my hair. And yes, I have 6 children. But don't I still look young? That seems to be what everybody says in the comments. Oh my God, you're not over 50. How many kids do you have? You don't look like you're old enough to have that many. I think it must be the amount of sleep I get. I'm just guessing. I mean, diet, exercise, and water are probably 3 of the other major categories you should focus on. But if you want to look and feel healthier, try sleep first because it's the easiest one to do. I'm going to tell you a little story here at the end that's really good and compelling. But click the link up here to this video of just rain of the woods in my backyard. We dubbed it to go for 8 hours. Get as much sleep as you can afford in your life and see how much better you feel after 7 days. So a friend of mine was telling me the other day, you wouldn't believe that my wife is having a problem right now because she still has her long-term memory. But we found out that she's been getting up, didn't tell him, getting up 8 or 9 times a night to go to the bathroom. So she wasn't going into that deep REM sleep her brain needed to heal. And over a few years of doing this, she lost cognitive skills. They had her brain tested. They thought maybe she was just getting early Alzheimer's or some sort of dementia. Come to find out, it was just sleep. She couldn't open a can anymore. She was putting a can opener and a can in her hand and trying to figure out how these things went together. He was getting worried. She went from typing 70 words a minute to pecking with 2 fingers, and it kind of slowly came on, and they didn't want to address it because they thought, you know, maybe we're just getting a little older. They're in their mid to late 50s. And after some sleep studies and first the brain scans and found out nothing was wrong with the brain, they went into the sleep studies and found, wow, it's just not enough REM sleep. So they got her on a medication to control that overactive bladder, and only getting up twice during the night, she's already starting to get better from sleep. Can you believe that? Take the 7-day challenge, click on the link, and maybe it'll change your life.